mean, she doesn't look too bad. You know, she's... Oh, whoa, wait. She just put on eyebrows? Like, how did she do that?
She went, bah! 3, 2, 1.
What?
She pasted on eyebrows. She has eyebrow stickers. That's a thing.
Okay. She's starting to glow up.
Starting the transformation.
Eyeliner, I think. Don't quote me on that. Okay, wait. What?
I've never seen anybody do that. Does that give you like a nicer jawline?
Alright. Neck cream? What is that for? What? This is
a different person.
It is. Did they switch when we were looking, or?
She put her hair down and all of a sudden...
What? Just imagine if you took this girl swimming and all her makeup came off and you're like, who are you?
Where's my girlfriend?
It's literally a completely different... What? Whoa!
Oh!
What was that?
Oh! No! Did she just shave her nose?
I'm so excited for this one, actually. Okay.
I'm going to be amazed.
She's
okay.
As white as me now.
No, that's basically like giving you a blank canvas. To be honest, if you're really good at doing stuff like this, you're very talented.
Kind of reminds me of like shark eyes.
A little bit.
Wow.
Already
she's a different person. There's that neck cream again, or whatever. What?
Okay, I actually wonder how many girls in Japan, Korea, China, wherever it may be in Asia, do this and have this transformation.
She's pretty cute. Oh god, what was that? Wait.
Who is this?
Oh god, she just peeled her face.
Imagine. I'm like, hey, yo, Infinite.
I would run.
And you're like, what the f is going on?
That'd be so creepy. Oh,
again.
God. Oh, okay. Wow.
Oh my god, she went from like a girlfriend to like a girlfriend's mother.
Wow, that's the ultimate catfish. Oh, what
no!
Is this?
No. Oh wow.
Okay, cute. Hit me up in the DM.
Hey,
Jason.
hit me up in the DM.
Never mind.
Maybe you like this? Wait,
Whoa,
look at
what?
this.
Can I do that?
No. I look like a square head.
Okay, she actually. I hate that.
What is this? I mean, her nose is still fine. Her nose is literally perfectly fine.
She already looks so different. Wow.
That's crazy.
What? There's no way.
So guys, she went from this to this. That's like me going from this to this.
That's not okay. Wow.
Oh, they pasted it on again.
What?
I don't know what it is.
Wait.
Oh,
her face.
it goes on the cheekbone.
Yeah. So wait.
So
does it like literally?
It gives an illusion of a smaller face.
Now she looks so good. Like. What?
Okay, guys, what do you think about this? Now it's time for us to transform in 3, 2, 1. The thing we do for views.
Wow, I'm looking great.
Guys, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Crazy makeup transformations. What do you guys think? Did you guys think they look a lot better after or more before? Thank you for this video. It was awesome. It was awesome.
It was awesome.
And we'll see you.